Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, active grille shutters, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, low tire pressure warning, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.